We discovered a high-level intelligence officer was trying to manipulate satellites. And even before we could unmask him.
Morning, ma.
Hey, hold it right there. Mama, you reach madam, eh? Where you coming from this time of the morning? Eh, so you slept out, eh? You slept out. So you are grown now, eh?
I am.
Eh, you have big bumps and brick breasts. You think you're a grown woman. You are coming inside of this time of the year, eh?
Mama, I went out. You know I go fast nights now. How you making a big deal of it? It's not the first, second, or the third.
So you're standing inside my house and telling me shit.
My father's house.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
So you're standing on my roof and wants to argue with me. But say, I knew from day one this is what you would turn out to be. A common prostitute, eh? You're very, very wicked. You have no good.
Mama,
you are no
like
good.
mother, like daughter.
Eh.
Jesus!
Chioma, I had a great sleep. Hey!
Look alive.
Man, I made 5,000 naira. From one man now.
Eh?
Hey, I tell you, join. You will make money now. You will make money. Right now, I'm planning to buy a car soon. You make money. I know, ma. Why don't you come with me?
No.
Come with me now and make money. You want to look like a fine girl. She didn't kill me now. She didn't kill me. You see? Fine clothes. Once you look like this now. You see what I wear?
I like to wear.
You see this on my hair?
Yeah,
I said you don't want to look this fine.
You know Mama said she will kill me.
Mama, that
She will kill me.
never mind her. She didn't kill me now.
Chikamaka,
Mama,
come here.
come in, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Hey. What is this you're wearing? Where is your clothes? Eh?
What is wrong with you?
I wanted you to prepare breakfast for me, but look at your dress clothes, eh?
What is wrong with
You
you?
disgust me, eh? You look as just like what you do, eh? A common prostitute, eh?
You want
You think this is an oral, eh? Look at the way you dress. Get away from me, you idiot! Stupid girl.
Madam. What?
What is that?
What type of food? That's food that Frank gave to me. He got it from his morning. So I gave it to you.
Do I look white? Do I look like an American, eh? What is this you're giving me?
Frank got it
Eh?
to me,
You
madam.
can't do nothing. You're good for nothing, eh? All you're good for is to wear short clothes, eh? Show
Mama,
your
this is all
skills.
for you.
Show your
This is all
skills
for
for months to look at you,
Mama,
eh?
I put this on.
You have no pride in yourself. You can't even prepare common food, common breakfast. You're bringing me KFC, eh? What is that?
Mama,
What
it's
can
good
you
now.
do for
It's
yourself?
good, Mama. I want to know, what is it that I did to you why you do not like me? You have two daughters. You have Chioma. You have me. What is the problem? What have I done to you, Mama? What is it that I did to you why you don't like me? Everything I said to you, you have a problem with. Why is it that you don't like me? Let me fix it now, Mama. Let me fix it. Let me fix it now. I'm tired of being treated in this house like I am an outcast now. Tell me what the problem is. Let me fix it, Mama. Mama, what is it? What is it? Eh?
Who is your mama?
You have a problem with me. You know what? I went and I changed my clothes. So please see what the problem is. I see what the problem is. It's all
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
This is what God bless you with. This is the problem.
So this prostitute, what's wrong with me in my house, eh?
Jesus is Lord.
You slapped.
I know your one is
You
that
slapped
and I will slap you again.
wants me to slap you back.
You will move out.
Try it.
You will move out of this house.
We shall see.
Oh my God.